Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix can't add phone number on Steam account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Steam application on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're logged in and on your Steam homepage, navigate to the Help option, usually located at the top of the interface. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Steam Support. This will direct you to the official support page where you can find help for different issues. Now, from the list of available options, click on My Account. Within this section, look for and select Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. This is the feature that typically requires a phone number and can sometimes be linked to the issue you're facing. If you still can't find a direct fix from the information provided there, scroll down and click on My Issue Isn't Listed. This will open a form where you can describe your problem in detail. Make sure to clearly explain that you're unable to add your phone number to your Steam account and mention any error messages or prompts you've seen. After typing your message, click Send to submit your request. Steam support will review your issue and get back to you with a response. And that's it. So that is how you can fix can't add phone number on Steam account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.